These are not the clones you are looking for.
Raise it out the hood. Raise it out the hood.
What up, bro? You good?
Yes, sir. Yeah, bro, you gotta put a swing in that bitch or something.
Facts.
Tire swing in that shop vac.
You been good? You been good though, bro? The shop back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
House and shit. Hanging out with your homies and fucking hood.
These are not the clones you are looking for.
What the fuck? That shit crazy, right? Shit literally opens in my palm, bro. It's insane.
Smells good here too. Nice ass backyard, another big tree. That's a
Yes,
good
sir,
family
yes, sir.
home.
Toughy tough.
Here.
Yo, what the fuck? It's got bigger balls than me.
Oh my god. Yo.
And he's neutered.